I would like to request Professor Sood to formally launch LabVIEW. After the launch, it will be made available through the cloud to academic users in India who are registered with ISTEM. So, Professor Sood, for your launch and for your remarks. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor. Sorry, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you, Professor Shiv Shankar. Thank you, Professor Navkant Bhatt, Dr. Arun Bhardwaj, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Srivastava, and all the participants for having me this afternoon for another feather in your cap of ISTEM. So, great initiative, and delighted that this experiment launched by PSA office is proving to be a great success. Now, all the highlights of this ISTEM has been so well articulated by Dr. Srivastava and Dr. Arun Bhardwaj. I will not repeat them, but it is gratifying to note that it is reaching out to people who did not have access to all the facilities, all the infrastructure which is due for their R&D. So this is a big step, and the fact that it is also available to startup companies to add to their effort, especially in deep tech innovation, that can go a long way. So in deep tech startups, you do need this high-end facilities, and I'm sure as the time goes along, when these deep tech startups become more and more in our country, this will have a really enormous impact in that startup ecosystem. Now, glad to see that you have good statistics in the last few years, with almost 15,000 institutes across India connected, and almost 23,000, as you mentioned, equipments in your portal. It's really very, very nice. And the fact that now you have COMSOL, MATLAB, and from today onwards, LabVIEW, that will also go a long way. So all this is extremely nice, and I'm sure the usability of that, this will become more friendly and more productive. I was just thinking that 2 points actually, which probably are already been happening, but since it occurred to me, I'll just say it, that can we also have a bank of mentors? Because what happens is, when you use an instrument, there are levels of usage of instruments. One is the very minimal level, which you can use to begin with, but then there are much more you can get out of the data than you are looking at it in the first instance. From my own example, I see that when people record Raman spectrum, now Raman spectrum has become like a extremely common tool. But the question is, have you got all what you have seen in the experiment? And very often I find that all the juices in the data have not been milked when people look at it. So I was thinking whether ISTEM can have a bank of mentors for various facilities. For example, X-ray diffraction, spectroscopy, mass spectrometer, so many things which you are having. So if you make a list of main equipments, main facilities in ISTEM, maybe you will have 50 to 100, not more, which are used very often, like photo emission, for example, Auger spectroscopy. So I was thinking that when people use this, they get this data, and with some nominal cost benefit, whatever you want to work out, there could be mentors available to help them, either on voluntary basis or on some other arrangement. So you can think of it, because as you go along in this journey, it will not remain limited to just data. And I think as just now the previous speaker said that even when you use LabVIEW, is it that you are getting everything out of it, or is it a very superficial way you are using it? So you may think of it how to enhance the usage of these facilities in a much more efficient manner. This is one thing I thought you may like to think over and see how to evolve it. And second point, more from let's say 2 years down the line, when you want to go for let's say some analysis of how these things have been used, you may like to put the acknowledgement in a very specified manner for every user. So, for example, we have done the same thing for synchrotron facilities, which are funded by Department of Science and Technology. So we have a standard format, like so and so. We would like to thank iSTEM for the usage of this through the Office of Principal Scientific Advisor, blah blah blah, so that the taxpayers' money is well acknowledged. Because 5 years down the line, you can be asked, what has it done? What has it produced? So when the publications come out, or when startups make money in whatever way they want, they need to acknowledge this resource. So you have to make a formal arrangement of this. It's not a choice, it's a must. So you may think about the appropriate acknowledgement. We are not asking, I want to make it very clear right now before it is misunderstood. We are not asking for any co-authorship. Please remember, this is, I'm saying, acknowledgement when they write up their results, whatever they do, at the end of the document, they need to acknowledge iSTEM and how iSTEM has been funded. So you may like to keep it because 2 years or 3 years down the line, there would be some analysis of how it has benefited the S&T ecosystem. So then the simple search algorithm will pick it up. You don't even, I mean, you can always tell your users to send them some line where they have published their results and acknowledged. But even if they don't do it, you can go to any search engine and do it. So these two I thought could be helpful. And the third one was, which you said, the startups. Again, a very important part iSTEM can play, as I mentioned, in the deep tech startup. And some of that also we should catalog at the end of the day. Not catalog, we must know where it has been used, these facilities. So I thought with this simple suggestions, I'll once again congratulate all the players, my predecessors who launched this, the whole team at PSA office, and all the iSTEM team, and so ably steered by my dear friend Professor Navkan Bhatt. So all this is a very big help to the community. I congratulate you once again, and PSA office is committed to take this these kind of initiatives to their final goal. So thank you once again, and happy to launch this event for the S&T community. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Professor Sood. Thank you very much.